Welcome to EstateIQ, Intelligent Estate Solutions. Meet ELL, the EstateIQ Legal Lookup. ELL specializes in verbatim legal quoting. ELL has access to the Sectional Title Schemes Management Act, Annexure 1, also referred to as the Prescribed Management Rules, and the Community Schemes Ombud Service Act. Your estate may also elect to include the Code of Conduct. To use ELL effectively, you need the document and clause reference. Let's start with PMR 17.6. Note how I use the brackets for the clause reference. This is important for functionality. After you press Enter, you will see a pop-up message requesting permission to access the RAG clause API on render.com. This is the live link to the legislation index. Select Confirm. You will now see the message, Talking to Connector. If you don't see this, it means the connection has not been activated. Retype the query and press Enter. Once the information has been received, ELL will respond with the exact verbatim quote, directly from the legislation or Code of Conduct if selected by your estate. If the clause requested contains subclauses, these will be included in the response. I'm going to pull Annexure 1 on screen so we can have a look at the section together. You will see that everything from 17.6a to 17.6n has been included in the response. Let's take a look at a clause from the STSMA. We'll request a subclause, 3.1h. If H should be read together with 1, both 1 and H will be returned as they form part of a whole. If you select the primary clause, such as CSOSA Act 38, the full section will be returned, as with STSMA 3.1h. If you select part of a clause that should be read as part of a whole, the full section will be returned. You can see this with the example, CSOSA Act 50C. Remember to rename your chats for easy lookup later by right-clicking the chat in the left sidebar menu. That's ELL, the EstateIQ Legal Lookup. Use ELL for verbatim legal quoting. Next up, how the trustees can utilize the EstateIQ AI team to help them with day-to-day tasks, reports, and more.